Hello, and welcome to New Tech. In this tutorial, you will learn how to install any version of Windows 10 operating system. Here, I've made pen drive as a bootable device. You can use hard disk, CD, DVD, and other drive as bootable devices. Now, insert your bootable device into the computer. After that, press the power button. Then, immediately press the boot menu key from the keyboard. Now, you will see BIOS boot menu on the screen. After that, select your boot device. Then, your computer will restart. Wait for a few minutes. Then, you will see a Windows Setup menu. Now, click on Next button. After that, click on Install Now button. Then, the setup process will begin. Now, click on I don't have a product key option. After that, choose the operating system you want to install, and click on Next button. Then, accept the license terms of Microsoft software, and click on Next button. Now, choose the custom install Windows only. After that, select each partition, and click on Delete option. Here, I'm using 2 disks, hard disk and SSD. So, this shows me drive 0 and drive 1. But, in your case, you will see only drive 0. Now, select the drive 0, and click on New option. Then, enter the amount of space in megabytes for Windows 10 installation, and click on Apply button. Here, I'm installing Windows 10 on SSD drive, so I give full space for Windows 10 installation. Then, select the rest of the drive which is unallocated space, and click on New. Then, click the Apply button. Now, select the partition which you created for Windows 10 installation, and click on Next button. Once you've completed the steps, the setup will proceed to install Windows 10 on the custom partition that you created. This may take a few minutes. Once the installation process is finished, it will restart the computer. Now, select your region, and click the Yes button. After that, select your keyboard layout, and click the Yes button. Then, click the Skip button. Now, choose the Setup for personal use, and click the Next button. After that, sign in your Microsoft account. Otherwise, click on Offline account. Click on Limited Experience. Now, enter your name here, and click the Next button. Click Next button. After that, click the Yes button. Then, click the Accept button. Again, click the Accept button. After you complete the steps, the settings you selected will apply, and you will be taken to your computer's desktop. Great. You have successfully installed Windows 10 operating system. Okay, that's it for today. We will discuss how to add your desktop icon in the next tutorial. I'll see you in the next video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.